extreme.
Isolation. You will be alone with the gods. There is no other feeling like that. And it will be better than anything else you can imagine. If you're going to try, go all the way. Do it.
Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
That this country is founded, it was founded by people who were into aliens, man. George Washington, man, he was in a cult, and the cult was into aliens, man. You didn't know that?
No.
Oh, man, they were way into that type of stuff, man.
George tote weed, man.
Absolutely, George tote weed. Are you kidding me, man? He grew fields of that stuff, man. That's what I'm talking about. Fields.
He grew that shit up in Mount Vernon, man.
Mount Vernon, man, he grew it all over the country, man. He had people growing it all over the country, you know? The whole country back then was getting hot. Let me tell you, man, because he knew. He was on to something, man. He knew that it would be a good cash crop for the southern states, man. So he grew fields of it, man. But you know what? Behind every good man, there's a woman. And that woman was Martha Washington, man. And every day George would come home, she'd have a big fat bowl waiting for him, man, when he'd come in the door, man. She was a hip lady, man. And she was real cool too. She'd harvest the crops, man. That's what I'm talking about. She'd put in the bushels and stuff and sell it, you know, because they had to, you know, make ends meet and stuff. I mean, did you ever look at a dollar bill, man? There's some spooky stuff going on a dollar bill, man. Yeah. I mean, and it's green too.
Is that a joint?
Real facts. Real facts. Happy President's Day, traders. Welcome to the stream. Stock market was closed today, but the crypto altcoin market was not closed. at all, and frankly kind of went berserk in a very positive way. So yeah, we're going to take a look at a few of these coins that did some things. See, forget Bitcoin. The market was closed on Bitcoin today. Yeah. But Hbar, oh my God. Highest daily candle close confirmed since May 10th, 2022. They finally did it, man. Kind of started with a dragon. Back above 8.3 cents, just gone. Just no resistance. The next target, you would say maybe it's like 12.4 cents. And then after that, 16 cents. And this is how it looks before things go crazy. Incredible. And then Altcoin. Incredible. We gotta look. We have to look. It wouldn't be fair to not look. Pretty simple stuff, man. Okay. Buyers were confirming that the key level from history was support. Once, twice. Okay. Easy to manage your risk. Tight stop. Big 3-to-1 plus. And here we are. Your second target, like it was nothing. And then we soon wait for the third target. Who knows? Could be going way higher at some point. But again, man, remember when trends reverse, the trends are the books. The trades and the trade setups are the chapters within the book. You don't know if you conclude a chapter if there will be another chapter. It's not our job to wonder that. All we're looking to do is enter a trade at the beginning of the chapter. At the beginning of the chapter, start with double bottoms, ascending triangles, reaccumulation, good bullish price action at key levels from history. And if you got the oscillators to back it up, you know, inverse head and shoulders, dragon patterns. Come on, man.
Saucer swap. Bar's decks also
CBT,
exploded.
thanks for the $50 contribution, man. And yeah, Hbar Dex blew up. I'm not sure, man. I don't speak weird languages. I only speak TA, and all we knew was like 300 to 500 day large structures like this can absolutely usher in a complete reversal in the whole trend, and it did that, and it's so clear. I mean, do we got to go back? You can learn it too. You can invest in yourself. I don't even know. I don't even want to do that. Searching for the old, like, you know, if you're here, you know. This is old hindsight now, but it wasn't hindsight when it was identified initially. And this is what happens. Yeah, you get 40% corrections, but they ultimately a higher low than previous low gets put in, and then you start running again. And it was really, really soon, really fast. Wonderful. And the good news is there are more like this that haven't done this crazy stuff yet. They just file an Hbar. They looked good. They had the framework. They were the Jesus, and now they're really Jesus-ing. Okay. But wait, what about high? Okay, I'm sorry. I can't help that this is happening. I can't help it. I can't help that something spectacular happened today, but in November, this was posted. Hello? November 8th, 2023. My God, the harmonic framework with the type 2 return, but it was like bonus. It was like more powerful because it was like Wyckoff accumulation kind of, but then like the third valley, then like buyers above the 200-day simple moving average, and you were just right above the top of the trading range. It's like, that's it. It is low risk here. And now what happened? Okay, all right. Why is it doing that? Because it hit 4.8 cents, right? 4.78 cents. Okay, so it didn't quite hit the target, but it's like this close, man. And it's just Jesus chimes. You get the little pullbacks. Oh, you scared? You scared, chat? It's high. It's high. Hacking token. Do I care or know what this does? No, it doesn't matter. It was just showing us the things that are in the textbook. We're supplying that to the untraditional markets. That's it. Okay, hi, what a great day. What was the day yesterday? It was, what is it doing? Hold on, why is it like that? Yeah, only up 11.69%. Let's have an alert set up. When it hits 4.8, it's done. I mean, target 1. And guess what? Not even target 2. Can you even believe it that there's another target? It's at 6.9 cents. Oh, by the way, yeah.
Since we started out on Bitcoins, let's go further into crypto.
All right. Let's do it. Kidding me, man? Theta had a good day. Theta didn't really have like you could have said maybe Dragon. It wasn't very clear. It kind of looked similar to like GRT, a few others like the Momo shift kind of. There were just better ones. Okay, you know, some are just gonna look better than others. But again, like the trend reversed, higher highs, higher lows. Hot, same thing, kind of like meh. Okay, I'm sorry. Anything above 1.8 tenths of 1 cent was okay. Could have looked at it like a dragon. It was dragon season, man. It was dragon season. I think virtually if you were targeting, that was probably the target. 2.6 tenths of 1 cent up there. For reasons, right? Look left. Oh, okay. 2019 peak. Gotcha. Engine coin. Mother of God. Kidding me, man. It was the dragon, and then after the dragon was identified, some sort of slightly higher low gets put in, all of a sudden becomes a momentum shift. So, and all more than before, the trend reversed, and wow, highest daily candle close on Engine since January 2nd, okay? It is beautiful.
Check Doge, please. Ferrari accepting Doge. Elon, your turn.
What's up, Lava TRX? TRX freaking insane too. Dogecoin, double bottom. Remember the double bottom, dude? I remember. You know, it's kind of crazy, isn't it? So, if you know, there's a 100% crowdsourced community, of course, and if you support the community by joining the Patreon Citadel, I mean, you get stuff like this. Not always, but look, man, it was 128. It was January 28th. And it's, you know, you were peaked. Bullish dragon season on altcoins. 1 KSM. And then look, man, I even went into Tolkien's lore about Encalagon the Black, the greatest of Morgoth's dragons and the mightiest winged fire dragon that ever existed. Okay? Which one will become Encalagon the Black? Could have been Filecoin kinda, or Hbar. And then look, there it was. Oh, you kidding me, dude? There it was. It's the dragon. 29 cents. And guess where it is now? Oh, 35.9 cents, 36 cents. Right, you can identify this stuff. And you can manage your risk appropriately based on that. And then guess what was going on? On Engine Specimen RSI bullish divergence on the 12-hour. It was the Jesus. Got all the makings of Encalagon the Black. And it's so far, the tail is going, man. So, yeah, you know, whatever. So you're going to get value if you support the community. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not like, oh, whatever. Buy this scam. They're paying me money to do it. It's different. Okay, so we had other things, you know, assets that were like, oh, okay, fine. The bullish back test and that nice little doji. It's like a doji pin bar right there at the support, 981. Now they're running it. Now it's at 1466. And if you break that, what mother of God? 1788, 18 bucks, 20 bucks. ICP. Who's ICPing? You know, it's breakout watch. We're going to say breakout watch, okay? Storage. Talk about a dragon. Here's your dragon. This is the most whacked out looking dragon, but guess what? Bullish engulfing candle breakout above what? 75 cents? Is that a joke? No, Larry, it's not. It's like that high from August, September 2020, right there. They broke it. It's a key level. But I mean, I would think like eventually 92 cents on storage. Why not, man? It's just a dragon. It's got a head, it's got a foot, it's got a hump, it's got a second foot. It's kind of, the spine's kind of whacked out. Yeah, that's why I didn't plot it here. It's kind of hard to do, but like you can kind of see it's very similar to many other coins. KSM had a good day. Wait a second, because we were there and we were looking at that. Well, that was like the first example of Dragon season, wasn't it? Hold on. It's the KSM Dragon, 39.15. And then, oh, it hit $52 yesterday. The Dragon. Okay. Beautiful. And eventually, you know, some of them to go berserk and they continue on, and we're going to see 1272s, 1618s, but some will only hit 786s, 886s, and they're done. And the trade completes, and you better, I mean, take layering out, taking profit on Dragons. Zcash had a good day. You know, what was it? Double bottom, man. One thing that's cool about Zcash, I don't really care, I guess, that much, but it is real. Look here. This is like, you know, public service announcement on Zcash. The buyers have recaptured the key 2019 low. They just have. It's not my fault. I didn't do anything about it. I'm just showing you, okay? It happened on the close just 19 minutes ago. Closed above the 200 simple moving average for the first time since December of 2023. So these things just happened on Zcash. Okay? So we're clear? Yeah, Dogecoin for Lava TRX. Here it is. It was like, okay, well, looks like they might be confirming it. And we're heading to 9 cents again. 9.1 cents is a big level. It's big because there have been reversals here before in the past. All right, so you break that, 9 cents, boom, 10 cents. You break 10 cents, boom, 10.6 to 11 cents. Yeah, there's a lot of path of least resistance is probably down. This is very choppy, and there's still just so much going on. So many potential reversal areas. It's, you know, you're looking for the ones where it's no-brainer, like Filecoin, such a no freaking brainer. This one's like, I don't know. Is it going to be 9.1? Is it going to be 10? It'd be 10.6, 10.98. Above 10.98, that's when things get really easy. Then it becomes a no-brainer on Doge above 11. 11, boom, 15 plus cents. Fast. History shows you that. So that's your Doge. I mean, guess what's happened? Here's your lowest low from Black Saturday, June 18, 2022. And then all these higher lows. Oh, okay, more than before. Yeah. And all of a sudden, more than before again. 200 moving average. Starting to upslope. It doesn't do that often. Oh, do we have it? We probably already had a golden cross, right? Yeah, a way long time ago. But you are trading above the 50 moving average. So, yeah, I mean, optimism for sure on Doge. But lots of resistance that needs to be tested and broken. It is the year of the dragon, and Morgoth did give his blessing. Opay going for the attempted rally here back to the 1272 fib extension. I mean, remember the framework. Hold on, this looks like one I know that didn't do anything yet, but it started. It has begun. What does this look like? Can someone tell me what asset looks like this right now, as you can see it on the screen currently, not a minute ago, right now? What asset looks like this kind of? The things you look for. We'll see if y'all know. I mean, there's probably more than one, but there's one specifically. Let's see if y'all remember, because we've been talking about it. Bueller? And if not, how about you find me one that looks like this right now? Oh, we got some answers coming in. Interesting. I remember my first question asked as live streamer to viewers. I remember. Pathetic. The answer, really, the best answer was C. Are they? Let's go. We got Leroy Jenkins in the house. CBT, I don't know. Can we?
Take a look at Tecton?
Please clap.
That boy is good.
CBT, thank you for the 100 on the day. Much love, man. But yeah, the answer, I mean, really what I was looking for was C. Arve, where you've got a completed harmonic happening at great context, 99% retrace from the 2020 lows. That means like there's that one guy who still owns it and he's not giving it up. Anyway, about the 886s to 98% retraces, that's where you're looking for these unreal bottoming structures that take 300 to 500 plus days to develop. It's here. It's done. Look what they've done. Look what they did to my boy today or yesterday. What happened officially? Confirmed with a candle close. They recaptured the June 18th Black Saturday low. They did it. Not 2 days ago, not 3, not 4, not 5, not a week. They redid it, and they recaptured it yesterday. Above the 200 moving average, you probably got a golden cross going on too, maybe. Oh, it's a golden cross into death cross into, See, they're not even that reliable, but I don't really care. I care about the framework more than anything. The higher low too, and the back test of, well, that one time December 2020, they're back testing it again. This is it. If you come back in 3 to 6 months and you're like, should I buy now on CRV? You're banned. You're banned. Okay, when this thing eventually hits 87, 111, 123, pulls a file, pulls an Hbar, you can't come crying here. Sorry. This is a trade setup, by the way. But it's a position trade because it's the daily. I mean, we got structures that take 440 days to develop. It's going to take a little while. I mean, knock on wood. It might just go up 100% tomorrow. Okay, that'd be great, but that's La La Land. Okay, that's Rudy Poo. Yeah, people getting in at 45 cents. That makes about, I mean, that's good. That's like kind of the spot, the sweet spot. It's just starting to accelerate a little bit, and you got all this leeway. Oh, it's great, man. And someone's like, the bonus shim. Yeah, you got like an X, A, B, C, D. Yeah, you got a bat too. It's bat season, it's harmonic season, it's dragon season, it's all of it season. Okay. We're talking about XRP. I mean, what did it even do anything today? Yeah, the Gartley, the Type 2. You're right. No one's saying you're wrong. We're just saying like, hey, maybe FIL and Hbar go up 40% in a day, and XRP's never going to do that. Outside of some fake news. Corn on the Alex Cobb. Rudy Poo. Yeah, but great. Yeah, someone could have managed the risk very easily around 51 to 55 cents with the harmonic framework. Oh my God. And you got great targets, 70, 74 cents. A and C. CNA against TNA. Wow. Isn't all of that? Come on, bro.
Anonymous tipped $100. Mitch, I have 10K to put into altcoins today. Can you give me 3 entries that I can enter tonight?
That's so unfair, Anonymous. That's not fair. It's like...
Shoes. Oh my God, shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Let's
do it, dude. Let's get some shoes, bro. Thank you. Sorry, I've had like a sinus infection. But it's just not fair. So ask me that question now? It was Filecoin, but it was like 10 days ago. You had it. I did it live in St. Barth's on vacation, dude. It was given to you for free. And it hit the second target today. What do you want from me? It's not fair. Doesn't even matter if you're only as good as your next trade or trade setup or whatever in this world, and like it's hitting target and it's like, I don't care. What's next now? Every single day. Doesn't even matter. And before Bitcoin tops out and reverses, and then dude's going to come back and he's like, give me my money back. We hit a correction. He needs 3 new ones. CRV has to be one. You better late than never. CRV's got to be one. I guess if you're putting a gun to my head, you're putting a Nick Saban to my head. DYDX, still waiting on. I mean, DYDX, I think like you're kind of well off the best entries. The closer you are to 273, the easier it is to manage risk. But I think like DYDX, if you have patience, like you wait, like, and you're willing to like understand that you're late as F, dude. It's your fault that you're late. I've been live streaming 6 years, every week. We covered this stuff. And it's like you're just a little off the levels where we discussed when it was the most optimum. We're here. This is it. And so it's like this eventually, I think you'll see 420 again, which, dude, that's pathetic, dude. Like DYDX going up 37% is pathetic. Give me more. I need more. I need better than that. Okay, and then like if it breaks that, then you're looking at like $7, which is like stupid. Which is like DYDX eventually would see like 130% upside. So like DYDX and CRV are 2. I mean, XRP in terms of like the structure, the framework, it's pretty solid. But again, you're a little late. You're a little freaking late, and it's not my fault. Dash was, I don't care. Dash is good, but look, man, look. You're off the bottom. You're off the best entry area. It's $26. You're at $30 now. But like, dang, man, it's like, is this not the basement of all basements? It is. But it's there. I mean, look, this is, you're staring at one where it's like A and C. Like, what happens if it plays out? That means like Dash goes up another 20 to 28%. Okay, but whatever, it's Dash. I mean, like, FTM, I was screaming at you at the top of my lungs. It's the dragon. Then it became Momo shift, and then it's like, oh my god. Then we're continuing to climb, and all of a sudden we're above 40 cents, and that's a freaking major level here. And target eventually 52.95 cents. So it's like, it's the dragon that looked identical to Engine Coin and GRT and freaking VeChain. But it hasn't done what they've done, like the huge pumps. Like, looks like it's on deck. What's up, Natch? Well, give it 10 hours. It'll show up. All right. Thank you. GRT. I mean, dude, like dragon stuff. Like it's the dragon. Like the only then the higher low, the Momo shift. That's FTM's like right here, dude. Right. GRT. T has to be the T. XRP, the T, the say.
Normally I'd agree, yes, this is a TA stream, but just no, CRV price is heavily influenced by its founder, Dyer. No request needed, just PSA for the community.
Well, Natch. It's heavily dependent on the... And give me a break. All these, so many of these are, too. It's not like all of a sudden XOLib and SNX are different. Dude, it's the harmonic framework. You're asking me... When so many things have like lost their minds, targets are hitting, in trade setups, you're asking me now, what should I go with the fresh long with 10K now? It's not fair. Anyway, so how about ETC? ETC, highest daily candle close since January 13th. Still waiting on that resistance, the
32.33 repeating, of course.
If we could ever break that, easy $40. So, I mean, patience. Not sure if we come down for a second test or not. You had your chance. The closer you are to $22.58 to $24, the closer you are to the lowest risk area on a bullish back test, and the trend has reversed. Higher highs, higher lows. You are in an uptrend, and you can't say anything about it. You've been in an uptrend, okay? XRP is kind of like, I don't know, maybe Dash. Again, it's your fault, Bob. It's your fault that you had opportunities and they begin to play out, and it's not my fault. But A1, it's not good enough, dude. We can't. A week ago is not good enough. I need it now, today. I don't care what played out.
Can you look at SKL?
What's up, Amar? Thank you so much. SKL. Amar.
Marijuana's bad.
What? Oh yeah, by the way, Jonathan told us that I don't know, what was he saying again? He was talking about, like, I don't know, the happening, and he was talking about Ethereum started steroid cycle, and Haskinson's son, I don't know, he started a theme park. Jonathan, what was it again that you were talking about, dude? Hold on, what was it?
I like turtles.
Well, thank you for clarifying.
Gotta go over here.
Highest daily candle close on turtles since April 9th, 2022. Jesus jobs. What are you guys talking about? My mic's getting cut off? What are you saying? Maybe I'm just screaming. Y'all are making me scream, dude. Excuse me. ZRX was really interesting. Like, look at this, like the Momo shift. You know, the looking pretty interesting here. Like the trend, I think, is kind of reversed, and this is your first high or low. A backup, maybe, of epic, legendary proportion. Think about, like, from the high to the low. Wow, this thing retraced 55.6%, and now it's all of a sudden, right? The lows, the lower highs, the lower low, the lower high, the lowest low. All of a sudden, a higher low than the previous low. All of a sudden, a higher low than the buyers recapturing the momentum on Zerx, on Ox, on Zerx. Yeah, it's a momentum shift and above the 200-day moving average. Again, things lining up pretty well. I would not be surprised if eventually, if you give it time, you can clip it. I mean, whatever. I'll eat crow. Eventually, you see 60 cents again, 62 cents. And, dude, you could wind up at like $1.95 again. The composite man accumulating. And we are looking good. Xerex. Bob. Not good enough, though, right? I know. Nothing's good enough. Dude, you should have, like, posted a trade setup on Filecoin 10 days ago. We got talking about Doge pumping. Yeah, Doge's up. Man, look at that, man. Back against 9.1 cents. It's a reversal area, inflection point from August 2022. You can see it. January 2023, February 2023, kind of around April 2023. It's there. So they break that. About a pretty quick 10% upside, 9.3% upside after that. Okay. What is wrong? What happened to the stream? We got 8,000 kilobytes now. I had 3,000 kilobytes for like 2 years probably. So this is supposed to be like apparently the highest quality stream in mid-trade TA history. But I don't know if y'all can even tell. Brian said nothing's wrong. Well, I'm thinking now, like, if y'all have problems, it might be your internet. You might be the issue. It was probably me for a long time. Yeah, my nose hairs look like BX cables. Can you see? Just kidding. I trim my nose hairs. You should too, if you care. Was there even a request? I mean, there was one we looked at. SKL. Did we do that? No, we looked at Jonathan first. It was the YouTube bug. Get wrecked, dude. SKL. Well, I mean, I remember that one time there was this wedge that broke out and then hit targets and then collapsed and then went back down to retest the lows like Mini did. But now it's in a woeful uptrend, if you want to call it that. A gleeful uptrend, sure. I don't go. I've not come here in a long time. We just pip extensions, clean it up. Yeah, I mean, like, whew, sheesh. So there's this swing low from January 2022, January 2021 that like the buyers are now trying to recapture, and you can't like just omit 10 cents because look at that. It's like that. If it's gonna keep going, that's gotta be tested again. And I don't know if they'll break it, but the trend seems like it has reversed, certainly to the upside. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So if they can break 10.4 cents, pretty easy run at 13.2 cents. And there's this mega zone way up there. Time goes by, doesn't it? Oh, it's like right there. Sorry. Yeah, like 16 cents seems like straight up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, like, wouldn't you think, like, if you were in on this, you would probably just wait for 16 cents? I mean, historically speaking, wouldn't you say, I'll just wait for, yes, I'm long and I'm going to sit in this until 16 cents? That would be my target if you owned this already, okay? Is Bitcoin doing the Bobo double top? Hope not, dude. I mean, that would be, you know, the altcoins just had an insane day on President's Day. Bitcoin's got to pull back, and everyone's got to take profit on those insane FILs, Hbars, man. Can't be that surprised. But, what was it? Tectum? Yeah, Tectum was next for CPT. Tectum, dude. Wow. Sounds like a TET. T-E-T. I don't know about this one. I mean, like, cool. Like, yeah, high or low maybe. There's no, like, jumping off point. Not that much data. Like, what? Did they... No, they didn't even test the candle high close, did they? Is that a lower high than previous high? Yeah. I guess you're in an uptrend, but there's not much history on this chart, and frankly, not really that great. I guess below 24.48, if you owned this, you probably wouldn't want to at that point. Yeah, dude, I mean, like, what do you want me to do on stuff like this? It's not, like, there you go. $25 to $26 is kind of like some sort of level they've established. They might test it again. Maybe you get a second test, a confirmation low. Yeah, really not like that special. Nothing sticks out to me as like, oh, I can't wait to go long right now on TET. But yeah. CBT, sorry, man. I don't know. Like, does it have the things we look for right now at this current time? Nah, not really. Understand when it doesn't have that, it's like flip your coin. It can go either way, man. All of a sudden, it could be up 100% in 5 minutes, and it's like, wow, dude. We're not trying to be right or wrong here. It's just, is the framework impeccable? No, not really there. All right, time to get scared with the Bobo double top. Ugh. He does the UG, okay. SKL for Hbar. I don't know. I guess we could look at like CRV again for Natch for a minute. Since he tipped 20 and talked about it. All right, we already looked at SKL. What's going on, dude? What's happening? Okay, man. Back to CRV. Muscusi. I'm changing the visibility on some of this stuff so we can look at it scaled out. Come on, man. All right. CRV. Dude, I'm telling you, it's like almost freaking identical to Uniswap on the weekly. It's so pretty, dude. You're trading the weekly, like for sure. 3-day weekly CRV. Like you look at this and then you look at Uniswap and it's like it was kind of very much the same picture. All happening like historical 2020 levels in a way, like the top where it was defended. You get it? Redline, I hope so, man. The algo, it's all about the algo. Apparently I was getting throttled like crazy. I don't think it's changed much, dude. Maybe it'll matter at some time down the road. But we got a sell-off on the new day on Bitcoin, down $250. Is that one high, and then is that at two highs, chat? Are we double topping for the short term? I remember we did that. Didn't we do that? It was like here, like double top, and then we also had it like here too. Yeah, double top. You see little 4-hour confirmation highs before larger flushes, but in the grand scheme, the larger flushes are jokes because the trend's so bullish. But yeah, you kind of got one that they're trying to do it right now. Yeah. After yesterday. So yeah, I mean, it was kind of a quiet day outside of, 30% pumps on some of these coins that were looking good. But now we just got pullbacks, you got Bitcoin pulling back, you got Hbar down almost 3%, Algo down 2%, Blur down 2.2. Blur was, remember, it was the trade setup that completed at least target 1, and then we're waiting on target 2 at like stupid amounts, like 120 or something. Crazy. What about ILV, dude? What, man? What is it, boy? What are you trying to tell me? Probably nothing. Like, look, dude. Yeah, of course. You had the almost Ryzen 3 methods. Look, they went to 107.79. It's not a joke. This is. Have they captured that yet? Nope. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait, man. Pull them back now. 1.24% on the new day. Great. ILV. Okay. Great. Yeah, what a run. Like, it pulls back. Anything happens here and it's like this, you're fine. Like, oh, okay. Even if it does this, who cares? Higher low than the previous low, we're good. The sort of 1,000 S coins just spoke to me. Weird. There are too many S coins, man. It was the sort of 1,000 S coins. Now it's the sort of 18,000 plus coins. So, like, it's probably getting pretty imbued with S. Huh. Yeah, lots of S, dude. But hey, Filecoin's up 2% today. Are you kidding me? Are we just going to keep the Filecoin train running? Well, point footage, all that sounds like is it's a terrible time to be looking at it on the chart because that means no one can benefit from looking at it. Dogecoin, Filecoin, Zcash, Zerx, ZRX. Only thing's kind of up today. I don't know, GRT's up a little bit on the new day. Storage up almost %. Okay. I have an alert set up. We're starting to really go again because this thing crazy. I'll tell you, dude. There's some out there that haven't done it yet, but they could be trying to do it. Storage, man. Kind of run out of S coins to look at. We look at them, it's like, okay, we're done. All right, good stream, guys. Until Bitcoin starts going higher, these altcoins probably going to keep pulling back a little bit. It's fine. Bitcoin going sideways is probably the best thing ever for US coin rounders. Okay. Bitcoin going sideways is probably amazing for storage. Because above 75 cents equals 92 cents. Historically. Not in my opinion. Up and down, up and down. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Up, down. Over and over and over again. Why not again? It probably will happen again. So that means like if you're just patient in time, storage is probably gonna see another 18% upside from here. And there's nothing you can do about it. Shiba was kind of like that bottoming base dragon looking stuff. It was alright. You know, it was like right there, like 1 and 2 maybe. You could have tried to look at it like a dragon maybe. But this thing's like pretty good. I think you bottomed out, and the hard targets eventually 1296, 1340. I don't know how many years it'll take to get there, 84 years, but I think that if you are a Shiba Moon Boy, you're waiting patiently for it to go up another 30 to 35% from here. That's it. Okay. Darius, you got it, man. Taking notes, care. Okay, bye. All right, the stream will end due to lack of chat. Due to certainly lack of hustle from chat. I can only generate as much hype as I can with the TA. The rest is up to y'all. You know that. Yes, sir, Egg. It is playing out. Omega Jesus candles. I mean, some of them already happened. It's like when, like how many times do we have to win? They're into Bitcoin finally doing it. Yeah, Crypto Hoarder was talking about it, getting over the 200 today. Jay, happy birthday, man. There you go. Jay, that's for you, man. Okay. All the candles. I had to go to Michael's box store today and pick up some candles for Jay. Blow them out so you don't ruin the cake. All right. Thank you. Congrats, dude. On being born, or back when you were born, and then being alive still. You did it, man.
Please clap.
Please clap. No, we didn't look at Cardano. We can. Cardano had the same little thing, right? Little Momo shift, and it's been running and nearing those 886 levels where you get some sort of pullback, consolidation, and hopefully the trend has ultimately reversed. And we eventually see 89 to 91 cents. But again, like, you got to know that 64 to 68 cents is 69 cents, really. It's real, and you have not broken it. You got to break it. Okay? Turbo Man, Total Man. It's Total Man, for sure. Uh-oh, Scuba Steve. Scary stuff, man. Don't you put that evil on me. DGB for the views. I haven't looked at that one in a long time, man.
Z sees us on KuCoin.
What's going on?
Is it scratching bottom?
What? ZCX coin. What is that? I haven't been here in a long time, so to like recalibrate, or clean it up. So with new data, we'll just move it down like a new set of levels was created down here. Dang, man, it's like the 100% in shape with a type 2 it came to be. I still think you got 1.3 cents. So that would be I think that'd be a really nice target. But then you can't deny the existence of like this 10.8 to 11 cent level. Look, man, I'm doing hindsight because I can't track all 1,000 or 18,000 coins, okay? It's a good Gart lead. This is very Uniswap-ish. Okay, Uniswap-ish, but it went to 100. Sometimes they do that, man. But look what happens. I mean, like, hindsight. This could be cycle reversing as well. So you wanted the views, G-Dog. You got them. Kind of the framework, right? There you have it. But look, man, it's like 1 and 2, higher than before, more than before. That hasn't happened in forever. So you got someone that's accumulating the 200-day moving average, being defended, probably golden crossed already. Yeah, way back. Took Charizard. So yeah, I think like 11 cents, 10.8 to 11 cents would be maybe next. See that? Like right there. How many times?
Dollar mono on weekly/daily.
Gentlemen.
Have a look at Yext, please. Change of trend or too soon?
Parlor Mate, thank you for the 15. Charizard, thank you for the 15. Captain of Crypto, thank you for the 20. Wow, I just got blitzcragged. Anonymous, thanks for the 15. Yeah, that was definitely blitzcragged. A contribution, thank you. So first things first. Are we waiting for stream elements? Yeah, I think they all came. All right, so.
What do we think about Hess?
Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry.
I know it's not crypto, but are the Hessians going to take over the oil game? Cheers.
Sure, yeah. We will look at those. You've got my wood. All right, first things first. DGB, it seems like there's a lot of upside potential, okay? Percentage-wise, tons of it. Just burn it in your mind. It's there. It's just there. It just is. I can't help it. I can't make it not be there. So, G-Dog, once again, you just type tickers and they just are magic. I mean, I would not be surprised to see 13's 1.3 cent DGB, meaning like in time, 43% upside on DGB. All right. ZCX. I don't memory of this place. KuCoin? Yes, KuCoin. He says scratching a bottom. Yeah, it could be. No memory of the place, but that's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll go through Moria. We might have to fight some Balrogs. It's okay. At least it's not Gothmog, Lord of the Balrogs. But he got destroyed. He got killed by Glorfindel. No. Gothmog, didn't he like die with King Turgon? The fall of Gondolin? I think. They died together. What would you say that would be? Yeah, so you got a range, obviously. Glorfindel, yep. No, wait, I thought it wasn't Glorfindel. Because Glorfindel saved Tuer and Earendil like when they were making the pass. And then, right, he killed the other Balrog. I thought it was Turgon. And Ecthelion? Turgon and Ecthelion together killed Gothmog. Back me up here, refute me. Get wrecked, Martin. Sorry, dude. Oh, Fulgur. I thought that was just... You sure about that? Can we look that up? So the problem is, like, if you're talking about range-bound assets, is the freaking dead middle of the trading range. So it's, like, really tough, you know? Only thing you could do is, like, hey, man, I'm trying to ride the trend here, and, like, I guess I'm identifying 8.4 cents as some sort of, like, new bottom here, and you could try to set a stop somewhere below that. But even if you get stopped out, it doesn't reverse the trend. It's just you're trying to make sense and trying to manage your risk at a level. So yeah, I mean, remember, you're in dead middle of range. Like, flip your coin. Probably was a nice golden cross at some point. What's going on? Get out of here. Oh, right at that 200 or that 50. It was Icthelion. Boom. Boom. Yeah, Glorfindel killed the Balrog, but it was just to save Arundel, Tuor, and Idril. And some others, right? So I'd say, like, if they can keep defending 8.4 cents long enough, you go to 15 cents, 16 cents. If they ever break that, that's where, like, their fireworks, right? Where you get easy target, no brainer, 25 cents. So, okay, does that make sense? Sorry, not sorry. Anonymous, thank you for being anonymous. Nerd alert. Hey, I love being a nerd, man. But I'm like, dude, it's like, okay, I'm a nerd, but then it's like, former collegiate athlete. Ha. Ha ha. You can just call me the freaking juggernaut, okay? I'm good with it. Mana for Charizard. Old mana. Here it is. The trend's probably reversed. Type 1, type 2. Yeah, mana above 48.9 cents is extremely good. Yeah, man. You had a dragon of sorts, kind of look. Like, it's kind of tough, I know, but like in the end, supply line 1 and 2. And again, like, any higher low that comes in higher than 42.6 cents, you're good. But anytime the price stays above 48.9 cents, you see the upside potential. And it's like, I mean, 68 to 73 cents. It's like file. It's like some of these others, like these are lows, and then this higher low locally gets put in this low, then this low, so the trend's reversed. Now you're working on the higher
Matic
high.
on the weekly.
Storage beeping. Because Storage was the dragon. And Caligon in the making. Or was it Skaga? What was the other? I know you had Smog, but there was another one too. There were a few others, but like a couple weren't named. I mean, a Glaurung, of course, but Glaurung didn't even have wings. But he was the godfather of the dragons. But I guess these dragons don't really technically have wings unless we're like, okay, I'm gonna plot wings. And then you do it like this to make it like two-dimensional. It's like, now we got the dragon tail or the dragon wings. See? It's beautiful. That's ought. Ought. I don't know. Okay, mana on the weekly, daily. Here's the daily. Here's the weekly. Yeah, I think that's the level. The level's still there. I'm on the weekly. The weekly is just like this mega double bottom. All right, it's just like 1 and 2. Zuckerberg gonna make a comeback. The augmented reality. Okay, so it's like mega double bottom where you put it in a higher low visible on the weekly kind of, and it's like just wait, and like you give it enough time, 73 to like 80 cents. You're at the basement still. Let's go, Johnny, man. Let's go. Pump that thing. Okay, Charizard. I mean, like, I think anything above 42 to 43 cents is solid for mega upside. That's it. Parlor wants Yext, which is not a crypto. It's just Yext. Oof. Sheesh. Yeah, it's like near all-time lows, and we got an 886 down here. It's close, very close. Could be, and it is like right around that 886. So you could try to like imagine dragons.
Bruh. Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
We could try to imagine. No, I'm kidding. It's not a dragon. Imagine sharks. Sounds like I'm gonna name a band Imagine Sharks. Okay. Imagine Sharks. Too shallow on B. Right, you want a 1618 minimum. So it's not really a formal M shape per se, but it's an informal M shape. Whatever. Looks like low shorting of thrust stuff. Maybe you got bullish divergence here. You do, kinda. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, right? Yeah, a low, then a slightly pathetically lower low, right at the 88% retrace. 3 day was better? Not really. 3 days not so much better, but still there over the week. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it's kind of whacked out, Quasimodo looking, but nevertheless, you got the crash and then you got the M shape. It took how long to develop? It took 500 days to develop, so it's mega. Can't be that surprised. Seeing whacked out M shapes like this, look like this, the context's pretty good for an M shape. You know, after long drawdowns, it then develops over 500 days. Yeah, I mean type 1 though, so. Huh, it's okay. Yext. Parlor mate. Change of trend. This could be what ushers in a reversal. Yeah, because more than before, for the first time, like freaking ever. But yeah, it's kind of gambly. Technology services.
Technology.
Technology certainly been a little hot. Okay, so.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
That has to be new.
Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
Wow. I have no words. This is why people are leaving. Hess. Are you talking about Hess Corporation? Because you're like HESS, that's a ticker, but that's not it. It's not crypto, but Hessians are going to take over the oil game. Oh, Hess, yeah, HES. Oh yeah, of course. All that happens is just higher lows, confirmation lows locally, over and over. Yeah, sure the demand line was violated, but has anything changed? No. Like in terms of like what? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. No change, Larry. No change. It's a dragon. I'm sorry. I can't help that it's like kind of a dragon. Supply line breach, back tested. The uptrend is ungodly. Yeah, Hessian's gonna take over. Hess Corporation. Integrated Oil Connect. Nice. Back above the 200-day moving average. Nice. Do we get Death Cross? Death Cross into possibly Golden Cross. Look how they defended the 50 simple moving average. You're above both of them. That's really nice. That's a mega engulfing candle on Friday. Highest daily candle close confirmed since, dang, like December 27th. The highest daily candle close of 2024 on Hess on Friday. Boom. Oil. Yeah, making a comeback. From Occidental. Can you draw a dragon? Here's your dragon. That's a dragon. Higher low, lower low. It's a higher low dragon. What are you talking about? Alex? He just wants Tesla? Matic for TA Zibit. He wants Matic because Matic is awesome. Waiting for 130. 130 would be conclude the trade setup, Larry. But doesn't conclude. Remember, the chapter is the trade setup. The book is the trend, and very well 130 could get hit and see at 163, 170. Then they break that thing, and then all of a sudden we're at 268 because it's Matic. Supply line breakout on the week. It's a freaking weekly dragon, right? I mean, good God. Everything's a dragon. See, you talking about that? I mean, that happened a long time ago. But, well, you said weekly. Dude, I did chest and triceps hardcore today. Yeah, Matic for the win. Just look and wait, man. Oh my God, weekly death cross. Forget about it, man. Forget it. Look where the price is trading above the moving averages on the weekly. You're good, man. Wait for it. Wait for it, Larry. Remember when you could have just been like, hey man, it's October 6th. The harmonic framework was the Jesus. It was low risk. There was divergence on the oscillators. It was a dream. And then the dream went nuts. And so once you break this level, probably be like, oh my God, Matic's up 20% in a day. I can't believe it. Yeah, Litecoin crap until it's not. But hey, I mean, Litecoin did the thing. It certainly has done the thing. Look, dude, it's almost like the thing of the thing. Like, I think you got a 786 there, right? Yeah. But if you anchored this way, it'd be an 886. Yeah. So it's like shark within shark. Looking at the daily. I like the price is above $66. I'm signing off. I'm okay on Litecoin. It's an XRP situation. It's a fat, stupid, ugly horse in a horse race. And all the other horses are historically proven to be faster, slimmer, more good looking. Okay. But it's kind of cool on the daily. You see the moving averages. You're kind of failure. Holding. Well, that's something that hasn't been going on at all. Fail, and not failing. Other way around now. After springback test is real. Oh, whoops, my bad. My God. Look, this one fail. No, they broke it. Now they're trying to back test it. The moving averages are flipping. Resistance now support. After the spring back test, what I was talking about. $66 is everything on this chart. You got me? I mean, it's there. Like, despite its trash garbage performance like XRP, they are there. The harmonics are there. And maybe they play catch up because they've done it before sometimes. Like, they'll just be like, wow, dude, look at it ripping and roaring now. That money's completely rotating into these lesser thans, has-beens. Okay. That was it, dude. That was the last real request. That all you got, chat? For real? Pfft. Child's play. Storage running, so the crowd says. Yes. Remember, you break 75 cents, 92. We're waiting on 92 cents now. There it is. It was the highest daily candle close of the year 2024 yesterday. Now immediately running again. Let's go, dude. Pump that S, as they would say. All the kilobytes per second, man. There's FIL, the alert, the beep went off. Oh my god, dude. Let us freaking go. Highest price seen on Altcoin since January 2nd. See you at 9:50, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the effing show. Beautiful, magnifico. Third target, dude, 950. If you were in on this, let's keep it going, man. Next month, let's go. Gala for Chef Rojo. Okay. Chef Red. Thank you, dude. I liked all I could on the super chats. Okay, I'll have another alert set up around $8, man. Let's go, dude. Gala. Back to middle school.
Gala, please.
Yes, I know the rules. The answer is yes. The answer is spring back test of candle open. Held to 200. Probably got a golden cross. Oh my god, they had a golden cross. Alright, whatever. So yeah, I mean, like, it'd be cool to get another test of 2.1 cents. It'd be amazing, but technically they did that like once and then twice here. It's been running, so just another like dragon. I guess there's this one little minor level. Doesn't seem like a big deal to me, but it's real. Like, right? They reversed it December 2022, June 2023, July 2023, even January 2024. So if you break that, I mean, you know, 3.6 cents, but then probably up to like here, 4.3 to 5 cents. I mean, that's a big level. As you can see, swing low, swing low, swing high, swing high, swing highs. Then above that, just, I mean, there's a lot of crap, man. A lot of support resistances. All 7 cents after 5 cents. After 5 cents, or after 7.6 cents, that's when things.
It's over 9,000!
Well, it's technically not. It's actually at 2.7 cents, which is way below 9,000. So, Vegeta, get your math going, dude. All right, thank you.
Virus on KuCoin is $16 is possible? Weekly hidden divergence?
Fire. Anonymous, thank you so much, dude. We can take a gander. All right. Okay. Happy President's Day. So I'll just tell you, that's what you got going for you on Gala. I mean, talking about basement, dude. No, like, harmonic, I mean, exceeds the 100%. Whoa. But, like, you got this. So anything above 2.1 cents, it might be the basement of basements. Someone will be like, bro, is that a left shoulder head, right? Maybe, I guess, if you wanted to use your imagination. Inverse head and shoulders, dude? Maybe. Okay, if that's all the case, then stop loss below 2.1 cents. Let it ride to 4.3 to 5 cents. Above that, 7 cents. 11.8 cents above that. Basement, yeah. Gala's in the basement. No for you. Higher. Higher. So looks like the trend reversed, right? There was a time it was like a heart rate monitor. And when it's like, when's it gonna actually do it? You just don't know. This was tough, man. It's like, you know. It is cool to see like the top of the range very clearly. It was the top, right? 524, They finally tested it barely, and then it's run off of that. So what's the question? Is there some sort of like great setup here? Not really. Yeah, look what's been going on. Like they've been testing 790 and change swing lows, candle look lows from 2022, and I think that's probably going to be tested again if they break that. Fireworks. I mean, history shows you that major 1590 right up there, 15, 16 bucks. So it's just all about the levels here. Not really like a great setup besides the back test was cool one time. I mean, if you ever got this, it could be the dream of dreams, right? Whatever. And then this. Yeah, I'll sign off on it. We could post a trade setup. Fine. But that hasn't happened yet. It's like not visible. It's not real. So if there's not like a formal setup, all we can do is talk about what we would want it to look like to take along like this. And we'll just look at like the levels, and it's like $7.90, $8, and then $15.90, $16. That's it, dude. That's all we got. We always want confirmation, and this really, frankly, doesn't have much confirmation outside of like maybe the 4 hour. Meh. That was the last request. Bitcoin down at $200. Double tap. Don't have to plot it. We'll plot it till it fails. This guy, we just got to put him there. He'll be there until it reverses. Double top. Hey guys, it's a double top, man. It's a joke, but I'm hungry. Okay, I had a really hard workout today, and I got another one tomorrow, and another one after that on Wednesday. Leg days on Wednesday. So you might just want to forgive me for getting more food because I need it. Protein. Yeah, so really
wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
I agree. It'd be like that. It was like that on some altcoins today, but now you gotta wait, man. You gotta let this bull crap resolve. Because he does it, man. He just likes to do it on the 4 hour. It's even bull crap like this, you know. He's done it before. Double tap. Look. Not really there. And it was like, right, double tap. You know, with the double tap, man. Don't be fooled. They do play out. They just may not last long. Like they could play out and then like what happened? Oh, we go down to 50K and it's like, who cares? And it rallies again. Yeah, we're eating fried dragons this evening for our protein. Fried dragons. So thanks again for coming out. Y'all be good. Thanks for likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Be sure to join the Discord if you haven't. The Discord is pinned in the chat. You get notified when I go live. There's educational resources, just the source material if you want to better follow along with the stream. And you're connected to a community of like-minded individuals. Plus, the hype in the chat's awesome. So, double tap. Bobo says with the eyes under his bags. He's been liquidated. He's homeless, but he's calling it again. He's saying double tap. I hope we liquidate him. I think like billions of dollars in liquidations. Thank you for the yes, Peepo and Bobo. Yeah, I think above like 53K is like unreal liquidations. So we'll see what Wall Street does tomorrow. Until next time, respect the TA.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
I have some evidence Manbear Pig could be in this area. And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.